Let us continue mode. This is the second example. Calculate the mode of the following data: class 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 5, and so on. This is the frequency. So now here there is some difference between the earlier example and this one. Here the classes are not continuous. That means lower limits and upper limits are not same. Here upper limit is 5. In the next class lower limit is 6. So it should be the same. So how to do it? See here. Now class is 1 to 5. Next class is 6 to 10. Next class is 11 to 15, and so on. Now you see that the difference here is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. The difference is 1. So divide this difference by 2. So it will be 0.5. So first find the difference between the lower limit and the upper limit of the next class and divide it by 2, whatever the answer comes. So you subtract from the lower limit. So 1 minus 0.5, it will be 0.5. So subtract 0.5 from 1, so you get 0.5 and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So 5 plus 0.5, it will be 5.5. Very simple it is. So find the difference, divide by 2, and whatever the answer comes, if the difference is 1, it will be 0.5. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. Now 6 minus 0.5, you will see that it will be 5.5, and this will be 10.5. Now this will be 11 minus 0.5, 10.5, and this will be 15.5. So you see that now this 5.5 and this upper limit, lower limit are same. So these are called continuous classes. Okay, so this is the change as compared to the last example. Now maximum frequency is 28. So the model class will be 21 to 25. As the limits are not continuous, I have directly done subtract 0.5. So that is 20.5, and this is 25.5. So the lower limit, this is a lower limit. So this is the model class. So lower limit is 20.5. So take L is equal to 20.5. This is the change. F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding to the model class. Preceding the model class, this is model class frequency, which is preceding class 16 to 20. So what is the frequency? 18. And F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class, that is the next class 20, and H is 5. How to calculate H? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, or 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so H is 5. Now formula: mode is equal to L plus into bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Substitute the values. L is 20.5, F1 is 28, F0 is 18. Down also you substitute the values, multiply by 5. 28 minus 18, 10. 2 into 28, 56. Minus 18 minus 20, it becomes 18. 10 multiplied by 5, 50. 50 upon 18. Divide 50 by 18. You get the answer 2.777. 7 is recurring here. So 20.5 as it is, and we are taking up to 2 digits. So third digit is 7. Add 1 to the second digit. 2.78. Round it up to the 2 digits. Add this So 23.28 is your mode. Did you understand? Now exercise 14.2 belongs to mode. So all the questions are of mode. You solve them and check the answers back, and if difficulty is there you can ask me. Thank you.